Hi, I'm Becca from Core Potentials Academy, and I'm here to talk to you about another energy medicine exercise from the Donna Energy Medicine Daily Energy Routine. This is a great one to start your day with. It's called the Four Thumps, and this has many aspects to it. So let's just begin. The first thump is right here on your cheeks. This is the stomach 1 meridian. Or stomach 1 point of the stomach meridian. The meridian runs down up through all the body, down through the feet, and when you thump on this, it helps to relieve worry and stress in your body and literally grounds you right down through your body into the ground off your feet. The next one is your K27 points, and this one is, there's two notchy bones that are just right below your chin here, under your neck, and you come down an inch and you go out an inch, and you kind of find the little depressions that are inside the chest here. So you feel for that. If it feels sore, that means that your meridians are blocked or sluggish, and they need to be moved and tapped on in order to get them moving forward. We want our meridians running always forward so that they're flowing properly for the benefit of our health and our vitality. This is what will give us energy, boost our energy, gives us great vitality, and helps to balance our energies throughout our body. The third thump is the one that's right down below our sternum, and this one is specifically for the immune system. This one, when you thump on it, it actually really ignites your T cells to literally fight off ill health. If you tap on it at least 30 times, again, along with the other 3 and soon to be the 4th, you will find that this can help you, ward off if you feel like you're coming down with something. This is the one that you want to do. The 4th one is right here at the end of your spleen meridian, and this one is to help you metabolize things. This will metabolize nutrients, this will help to metabolize emotions, this will help to metabolize pollution, anything that your body needs to balance your hormones. This is a great one to help balance everything and metabolize it throughout your body. So we begin with the first one, the stomach, the second one, the K27 points, your energy and vitality, third one for your immune system, and the 4th one to help you metabolize. So if you like these energy tips, please subscribe to our button below, and we will make sure that to send you some more. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.